morning, Nutters. This morning I came out of bed and I wasn't really feeling very well. I can't say that I was anxious, but I was a little bit uneasy, and I thought it's a great day to take care of myself. So I did a facial with a lovely facial oil of borage, and it's for the older skin, so who knows, it will work. So I did that, and I did some grounding in my garden with my bare feet, and I did some. I took some plants of the. I took some plants of the living room and I put them in here because I really would like to make it more of a cozy place, because somehow it feels a little bit cold. So I'm going to add some plants and see whatever it takes me. And now I'm about to go and do some art stuff, and I think I will draw something with my left hand. So if you see it and you think like, oh, that looks horrible, it's my non-dominant and I know I'm not very good at drawing anyway, because my dad was like a really good painter, and what his eyes saw he could draw, and I'm far from that. I started to paint just some month ago. I never did it before because I always was resenting it, because my dad was so good at drawing and sketching and painting that I never ever dared to even come near to any paint. So now I'm painting, which is already a very big thing for me. And now I want to do the non-dominant hand drawing. It's from the Ugly Art Club prompt of this month, to do something with your non-dominant hand. And I have done already some, and now I am about to draw again. So we will see how it works out. But if you see it, now you know it's my non-dominant, and I'm not used to draw anyway. So I want to thank you all for being here again and listening to my yapping around, and hopefully to see you again tomorrow. And if you really like it, please give me a thumbs up. Oh, I don't know why I do it. I hate it. I really don't like it. So please, I will put my hands on my back, and I will say again, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe, and hope to see you again. Bye for now, and enjoy my non-dominant whatever drawing. Bye for now.